How much does cost in Gujarati?
ની કિંમત કેટલી છે?
Welcome aboard. Hey you. This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Grab more goodies at www.synapse-lingo.com. Ready to shop smart and laugh a little? Your magic line today is, how much does cost?
ની કિંમત કેટલી છે?
Try it with this.
આની કિંમત કેટલી છે?
And with that.
તેની કિંમત કેટલી છે?
Let's make your wallet proud. Your goal today. By the end, you'll ask prices smoothly, point like a pro, and maybe score a discount. You've got this. Wheel master.
ની કિંમત કેટલી છે?
And key helpers. Price.
કિંમત.
Rupees.
રૂપિયા.
This.
આ.
That.
એ.
How much?
કેટલું કેટલી?
Cheap.
સસ્તું.
Expensive.
મોંઘું.
Discount.
છૂટ.
And even to cost.
ખર્ચ થવું.
Tiny tip. Because price
કિંમત.
is feminine, you use
કેટલી.
in the main phrase. Say it with rhythm. Clap the beats with me to lock in the sounds. Keep it playful. Beat it out. Ni, kimat, ketli, che.
ની કિંમત કેટલી છે?
Point and ask. This.
આની કિંમત કેટલી છે?
That.
તેની કિંમત કેટલી છે?
Bonus alternate idea. How much expense will happen?
કેટલો ખર્ચ થશે?
Using the verb to cost.
ખર્ચ થવું.
Closing parenthesis dot. Mini dialogue at the stall. Jump into a quick scene. Imagine you're eyeing a cool hat. You, excuse me, how much does this cost?
માફ કરશો, આની કિંમત કેટલી છે?
Vendor.
500 રૂપિયા.
500 rupees. You, thinking, a bit.
મોંઘું.
Any.
છૂટ.
Try.
છૂટ મળશે?
Vendor. Small.
છૂટ.
Okay. You, niece, that's more.
સસ્તું.
Power drill. Your turn. Listen, then repeat out loud. Tap 4 fingers for the 4 words. At the shop, point to a scarf.
આની કિંમત કેટલી છે?
Tourist mode, pointing far.
તેની કિંમત કેટલી છે?
General pattern.
ની કિંમત કેટલી છે?
Say the key words. Price equals.
કિંમત.
Rupees equals.
રૂપિયા.
Discount equals.
છૂટ.
How much forms.
કેટલું કેટલી?
Cheap versus expensive.
સસ્તું.
Slash.
મોંઘું.
Culture tip. Polite wins in Gujarati bazaars. Smile first, bargain second. Start with.
ની કિંમત કેટલી છે?
Palm open toward the item, slight head tilt. Then you can ask about.
છૂટ.
If needed, keep your tone calm, aim for friendly, not fierce. And yes, numbers fly in your favor when you stay kind. Quick quiz. Fast check, answer, then I reveal it. Q1. Which Gujarati phrase means, how much does cost? A.
ની કિંમત કેટલી છે?
Q2. What's the word for price? A.
કિંમત.
Q3. Translate, any discount? Using the key word. A.
છૂટ મળશે?
Q4. Say, how much is that? A.
તેની કિંમત કેટલી છે?
Your shopping challenge. Ready for real life? Keep it playful and confident. Next time you shop, point with an open palm, tap 4 fingers, and ask.
આની કિંમત કેટલી છે?
If the number feels.
મોંઘું.
Smile and try 4.
છૂટ.
If it's.
સસ્તું.
Celebrate, maybe with a happy, thank you, and a victory snack. Oh, and keep an ear out for.
રૂપિયા.
In the answer. Outro. Nice work today, you're bargain ready. Thanks for listening to Synapse Lingo. Practice your lines, keep smiling, and revisit the key phrase.
ની કિંમત કેટલી છે?
For more lessons, games, and resources, visit www.synapse-lingo.com. See you next time.